So today we'll discuss to install the Kubernetes on all the nodes, including our control plane node and worker nodes. So in this video, I have done the virtual box setup of control plane node, and I have logged into the control plane node. Now, after logging to the control plane node by my virtual box user, so this is my master node, which is responsible for managing the multi-node cluster configuration, and through that I have taken the putty SSH configuration. Means I have logged into the control plane node by means of a virtual box user. After login, I will install the all the Kubernetes node. Means I will install the certificates with the Kubernetes KTS stable environment. So this will be bound by the key value pairs, which I will show you. So we have, when while running this command, we have encountered a details where I found that in the download section we found the release key. I will show it once again how we have done it. So this I will be hitting it on our putty. So I will press and I will paste this command in my editor, and it is finding all the packages guys for the installation. So after installing, you can see that this new packages has been installed when we hit this command. Okay guys, so for better convenience you can also change the foreground color. So the following for packages has been installed, these are there. And now I will run this command sudo apt update to update the install configuration. Now when you hit this command, okay, in your browser, okay, in my browser, suppose I will be hitting this command. So I will show you in the Firefox browser. I have already hit this command. So you will get a release key. Now this release key will be mapped with the I will restore this session and will map it with this potential keyring which we have created through Kubernetes. So it will create a folder, and through packages kts.this stable version, we will get this release key. And this release key, when I open the in Firefox browser, see this guys. Okay, you will find the control J into, you will see this will get installed control J. So it will found in downloads history. So I have downloaded it. When I downloaded it, this release key, see this. Now I have downloaded it, and this you will see here. And after that I will run this command to display it. So I have can also display like this in when I double click on this release key. So this is the certificate guys which I have pulled it from the KTS traversal science certificate, which would be required for general purpose license of Linux Ubuntu systems. Now, after that, I will install the kubeadm, kubelet, and these are all components I will install. So I will directly do through putty, and I will be just pasting it, guys. So after pasting it, the following package, you can see the these are getting installed, and these are fetching all the details. So just we have to copy paste all this. Now the next step we will do, we'll install the control plane only on the control plane node. Means initialize the control plane node by once kubeadm is installed. So kubeadm, what it is, an API server, it's a driver through which we would be providing the networking into it. So for this networking, since we are on 192.168.1.1 X series, so we would be providing a CIDR, which is classless inter-domain routing. So this would be, we would be doing the selection apart from this range. Okay, it will not match the subnet range, so that it will not conflict with our master as well as our worker nodes. Okay, so let's try after this completion, we will check like the next step of managing initiating the kubeadm. So please bear with me. So guys, you can see the packages are updating it. I am hitting it one by one so that to check which installation is getting failed over it. Okay, hence you will get the error while installing the kubelet drivers, because it may happen that certain and they are unable to locate the package. So with that, I have used the snap install command. You can see here I am unable to locate the package when I hit the command. So then I will install the with this command snap install kubelet, and I will hit the classic version so that it would get successfully installed on our kubelet version. So here now I can verify it when I want to verify it in terminal. Suppose so I will do sudo then kubelet version I can write. So it will ask me for the password. Okay, so guys, this is the version which I have seen. So this command I have it on my like control plane node. So this is the version we have successfully installed of uh, Kubernetes. So this will ensure that we have to install the same node or same kubelet version on the other node as well. Means this should be consistent enough to compatible enough to work with our two worker nodes. Okay, after this is done, we would install the kubeadm, initiate the API server in order to advertise our control plane node network with the CIDR. So I will just copy and paste this command in my this putty editor, and from there you will come to know. So it is a command kubeadm not found. Okay, let's just see what is wrong. So we will again sudo apt kubeadm version. Okay, apt version is there, am4, and this is kubelet version we have installed. Okay, so kubeadm, let's see what is went wrong in that kubeadm. So we'll hit this command again, sudo apt install kubelet adm. Okay, sorry, this here I will do so that it will install. Okay, hit reading the packages. Okay, unable to install kubelet. Okay, look at the packages. Let's see whole mark we can do this command, and we'll check no packages found. Okay, so we'll check the version again here. First we'll initialize it with the API server. Let's see if it is getting initialized. Okay, no command found. Okay, we have to check that what is wrong, guys, because as we see that the version is getting updated for that CIDR range. Now let's see now for initialization of this command. So once we ensure that once this control plane node is ready, we will go ahead with the command, and after that we will kubeadm join command to configure this for our other users. So it means for our other worker nodes. So once this step is done, we will install the CNI, which is a pod network Kelly, which is recommended for it, which will be helpful for us. So we'll learn more about the Kelly. So and first we'll troubleshoot that why kubeadm is not working. So why this is not working, we need to ensure first that this list has been added or not, the repos has been created or not. So for this you will see if it is added, then you can see that kubernetes.list is there. If not, we can add it manually. Okay, this is done. Then next step we will do, we'll update the packages, and we'll do this, run this exactly. Sudo apt keyring, we have added the key, and then we have added it to the repository. So just we'll hit this command, because anyway we have created a release key in that, as you will see in our release key we have already created. When you go to downloads, so this release key we will add it in a kubernetes.list file by this command sudo t. Okay, so this will ensure that our repository will get, it will added in this repository kubernetes.list, and after that we will again hit the sudo apt update to update the packages. Okay, see that the packages were missing, so we have updated the packages again, creating a directory and deleting the adding the correct repositories for our Kubernetes, because we have a Ubuntu 20.0.4 release version. So in this we have to add this repository in this list. So this is the distributor ID which I have found it for Ubuntu, and through that we have removed the packages for the release key, and after that I again updated it. Okay, so this command I have written in order to sudo apt update. With that I have removed the apt source keyrings release key. Okay, so in that way, after that now I will add, once this step gets completed, guys, so now I will create a directory for it. So I will copy this code. After this installation, sudo apt install, I have run this command, and thereafter I will create a directory for this. So let's press make dir. Okay, directory has been created. You can see that I will clear the screen, and after that I will add the key, so that it will be helpful for me to add this. So what is the key, guys? So we'll have to add the release key here. So I will write it for the specific version. This step I'm performing again. The release key has been added. Now add it. We have to add the it to the repo. Okay. So let's see when it is generated. we go to download, see that release key has been downloaded or not. Okay, it's not there here, but we can see here when we echo it the self-signed certificate. Okay, as we have done. So let's keep this. We can echo and add it to the repository. So I have done it now. So through echo, we can sign it by this apt keyring, and from that Kubernetes list. After that, I will update the sudo apt update command, which is very easy. So it will update the packages necessary. And now, if we check if it works, the caching also we have to check for kubeadm. It is not installation, so you'll see the candidate version for this. Why it kubeadm is having the error? Okay, once that will get installed, let's see. So you can see that it has been upgraded, the packages has been updated. Now we'll run this command to check the kubeadm cache. Okay, so this is 1.29.x version. You can see here 2 3, these are the set of packages you can see here. It means it is successfully installed. Now after that, we'll check this, run this command to install the components. Okay, so now it is able to getting installed the components, right? Okay, supported packages. Okay, so previously this step was not getting over, so now you can see that 20 MB packages, they are getting updated or pulled it from the Ubuntu archive, sorry, for the k8s dot input output file, and from there we will get installed the components of Kubernetes. And once that components get installed, we'll verify that it is getting version update. We'll check the version for the updated kubeadm packages. Okay, so let's this step will complete. We have seen that we have installed the packages by sudo apt install kubelet. Now we will check the missing hold packages which are in cache. So we'll quickly run this command sudo apt-mark. Okay, kubeset set on hold. And now we'll check the version. So kubeadm version. Let's see what is version. Git commit major version is this 1.29 is the version, guys. Kubeadm version. Okay, guys, so now our this version has been installed successfully. Now we can check that DNS connectivity. If we are still unable to locate the packages, we can hit the this library. Okay, so I hope that it is clear, and now we are good to go with running the components on each node. With this step we have performed, and now we can check the control plane, initialize the control plane only on the this IP address. So I will run this command and give the CID range of this much. So let's hit and check. Okay, guys, now falling back to stable version, it is now initializing the kubelets. Great, using the init method and pre-flight checks. You can see here, guys. And now it will some fatal errors occurred. Port 1020 is in use. Okay, we can ignore these errors. So let's run this command, and we can write it as ignore errors as with this fatal message you can write. Okay, ignore errors and port 102. Okay, so I can write this message here because this is our error. So here I can write this message. And okay, guys, to see the track of these errors, you can. Okay, so we have initialized the kubeadm with the CIDR name, and now you will finish. You will see a kubeadm join command and save it. Okay, so the join command we will see here after running this. And now next we'll configure kubectl for a specific user. So this get nodes you can see in the workers will show not ready. This is normal. Okay, so after finishing this, we'll do it from other nodes on our worker as well as on our worker 1 and worker 2 nodes. I will done. We will be doing, but we'll